the gospel, a life that tells the world you are not dead. And do the words I speak bring a smile to your face? And do the people see that you are living in me? I'm just an instrument longing to be played by you, a melody of love for all to hear. Let me be pleasing, Lord, before your majesty, so that the world may see that you are living in me. Do I honor you, or have I brought reproach to the cause of Christ? I only want my life to be a light, and are my footsteps walking in your beautiful way. Help me to say and do that which pleases you. I'm just an instrument longing to be played by you, a melody of love for all to hear. Let me be pleasing, Lord, before your majesty, so that the world may see that you are living in me. Oh Lord, I want to be whatever pleases thee. Just hold me in your hands, for you know who I am. I'm just an instrument longing to be played by you, a melody of love for all to hear. Let me be pleasing, Lord, before your majesty, so that the world may see that you are living in me. I'm just an instrument. I'm just an instrument longing to be played by you, a melody of love for all to hear. Let me be pleasing, Lord, before your majesty, so that the world may see that you are living in me. Live in me, Jesus, so that the world may see that you are living in me. Shine through me, Lord, so that the world may see that you are